Good boy, back.
This is the first time seeing 4501, so you know, it's quite awesome seeing an engine that.
Y'all should have been here about a month ago. 4501 and 630 did a duel.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and come back when they do a double header with 630. She's done after this year, 630. So.
Yeah, they did the double header here about a month ago.
Yeah, I've been in love with this engine for multiple years. Being able to see it in person now is just so surreal. I grew up watching videos of this engine. Proper talking 45. She's a cool engine. And 630 as well. First time I'm going to be seeing 632 tomorrow as well. I've seen 1702 3 times already, but, well, I was here twice with a friend. We went to Knoxville to see the Southern 154 before she went down, and she was a nice sight to see. I don't know if you've ever been to Knoxville. They ran the Southern 154 there, 280. Okay. They ran that on Three Rivers Rambler. Yeah, I've been down this way twice actually. Well, making this a third time now.
Well, y'all got a YouTube channel?
I do, yes. I'm Tristan Rail Productions.
Tristan Rail Productions?
Yeah, Tristan Rail Productions. I'm a Pennsylvania native. I live in Pennsylvania. I live near the Stroudsburg Railroad, Reading and Northern out there. I live near the Reading T1s out there, the 102 out there, 425. We have a lot of good stuff in Pennsylvania. A lot of good steam. I have a railroad out there I recommend you guys going to visit sometime. East Broadtown.
East what?
East Broadtown.
Okay.
If you've ever heard of it.
It's narrow gauge, right?
Narrow gauge railroad in Pennsylvania, yeah.
All right.
I volunteer and help out there. We're trying to get the railroad back to its Summerville. Yeah, it's 6 Baldwin built narrow gauge Mikados, just like this one. And we are rebuilding track that hasn't been in use since the 1950s. And we rebuilt 2 or 3 miles already of new main line. I'll shut up if you don't want to record. We're going to fly out to Denver, and then we're going to drive 5 hours. Depending weather, we might fly out of Albuquerque if weather is garbage. Rio Grande Southern 20, that's almost that. She's going to Durango and Silverton for the beginning of the winter. To then do a charter out there, and we're going to do January, early February. We're going to probably going to ride behind her. I've seen 21st when I was at CRM once, and I was at Great Courses out there. And yeah, I do want to get out there to see 824 on Big Boy. I do. I've been seeing a lot of cool videos of 44. She's an impressive sight. I mean, I'm more of a Challenger 3905 guy, but I like Big Boy.
We couldn't see Big Boy because he was around.
She was in the roundhouse.
They won't let you walk back there.
Won't let you walk back there. Chase, where'd the others go?
That's the Colorado Railroad Museum we went to that had Big Boy.
No. That was What's the Forney?
Forney. Well, what was the other one? Oh, what's the big railroad museum we went to?
National Transportation Museum?
Yes. Check out National Transportation Museum.
Where out? In St. Louis?
Yeah.
Was it St. Louis?
Yeah, it was.
Hey, I'm wearing one of my favorite steam engines ever that's in St. Louis. 1522. I love it. I haven't seen her in person, but I do hope to get to St. Louis at some point to see the old guy. If I had money, I'd buy this engine in the store. I really would.
How long did it take y'all to get here from Pennsylvania?
From here to Pennsylvania, we're about 9 hours.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all. Well, I'm from Harrisburg area. If you know where Harrisburg, Pennsylvania is. I live near Harrisburg area. So we drove all the way down 81 to Virginia and then all the way down into Tennessee.
Gotcha.
Yep.
Good to know.
Yep. I live near the Southern Railway, so about an hour from Southern. Chase, it's the rest of the three are over there at the turntable. Are you going over? Good talking with you guys.
Bye.